Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to change the row width in Google Sheets. So here I have this tables right here and I want to change the row width. So what you guys need to do is if you want to change it like at once, you can just block like this, and then after that go to the one of the line here until it's changed like this, until there's an arrow pop up like this, and then you can just double click on that and it will be changed accordingly according to following the width of the row. So you can also do that in here. So I'm going to use this and double click, and just like that. That is how you can change the row width in Google Sheets. So I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you get any question, feel free to drop them in a comment. And if you think this video is helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I'll see you all in the next following videos. Bye.